On the eve of birth anniversary of M.K. Gandhi, I am going to reciting some quotations from the book The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Identification with everything that lives is impossible without self purification. Without self purification, the observance of the law of ahimsa must remain an empty dream. God can never be realized by one who is not pure of heart. Self purification, therefore, must mean purification in all the walks of life, and purification being highly infectious, purification of oneself necessarily leads to the purification of one's surroundings. But the path of self purification is hard and steep. To attain to perfect purity, one has to become absolutely passion free in thought, speech, and action, to rise above the opposing currents of love and hatred, attachment and repulsion. I know that I have not in me as at the triple purity, in spite of constant, ceaseless striving for it. That is why the word praise fails to move me. Indeed, it very often stings me. To conquer the subtle passion seems to me to be far harder than the physical conquest of the word by the force of arms. Ever since my return to India, I have had an experience of the dormant passions lying hidden within me. The knowledge of them has made me feel humiliated, though not defeated. The experiences and experiments have sustained me and given me great joy, but I know that I have still before me a difficult path to traverse. I must reduce myself to zero so long as a man does not of his own free will put himself last among his fellow creatures. There is no salvation for him. Ahimsa is the farthest limit of humility. In bidding farewell to the reader, for the time being at any rate, I ask him to join me in prayer to the God of truth that he may grant me the boon of ahimsa in mind, word, and deed. I am paying tribute to M.K. Gandhi on the birth anniversary, and this book is really a good teacher for us, for me to experiment, still experiment truth. Thank you.